Hi, I'm here, and today we're going to talk about the Back2Naturalness Tallow Soap for face and body, men and women. It's available in 3 different scents: lavender plus rosemary, patchouli plus cedarwood, and unscented. It comes in a pack of 3 bars, or just 1 bar. The ingredients are beef tallow, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, aloe, and essential oils. It's good for all skin types, and we even have the unscented version for sensitive skin. You can purchase it at walmart.com or Amazon. This soap is handcrafted using traditional methods and the finest ingredients. The tallow in the soap helps to nourish and moisturize your skin. It's rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K2, which are essential for healthy skin. The coconut oil, sweet almond oil, help to cleanse and remove impurities from the skin, while the jojoba oil and aloe vera soothe and moisturize. The essential oils in the soap provide additional moisturizing and nourishing benefits. So whether you're looking to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin, this tallow soap is a great option for you. Give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself.